You were born with wings, why prefer to crawl through life? Birds teach a great life lesson. All you have to do is listen to their song. A bird does not sing because it has an answer, it sings because it has a song. The bird is powered by its own life and by its motivation. The moment you doubt whether you can fly, you cease forever to be able to do it. Relationships are like birds. If you hold tightly, they die. If you hold loosely, they fly. But if you hold with care, they remain with you forever. All birds find shelter during a rain, but the eagle avoids the rain by flying above the clouds. Problems are common, but attitude makes the difference. In order to see birds, it is necessary to become a part of the silence. A bird sitting in a tree is never afraid of the branch breaking because its trust is not on the branch but on its own wings. Always believe in yourself. Birds learn how to fly, never knowing where the flight will take them. I always wonder why birds choose to stay in the same place when they can fly anywhere on Earth. Then I ask myself the same question. While it is true that the early bird gets the worm, it is also true that the early worm gets eaten. If birds can glide for long periods of time, then why can't I? Give the birds a splash of water to get relief from the hot sun. Until you spread your wing, you'll have no idea how far you can fly. Birds sing after a storm. Why shouldn't people feel as free to delight in whatever sunlight remains to them?